Hi, it's Tyler from Method CNC, and I want to share with you this fiberglass product that we are developing using our Ship It in 6 framework, 6 weeks from concept to part delivery. It's a fiberglass pod that goes on the side of a van. It allows you to turn your bed sideways, increasing the amount of room inside. So once the scope was defined, we went to data acquisition. We used our iScan HX scanner to take a scan of the client's vehicle. And once we had the scan, we developed this concept model that you can see here. During concept development, we considered design for manufacture, such as the type of fiberglass used, making sure there was draft angle, flange sizes, and lamination methods, and many other factors. We also planned out how we would create the plug on our CNC machines, and additionally, we created a scale model which helped inform the design and shape process. Once that was complete, we created a document which we submitted to the client for review, and we also checked it against the ADR rules. At the moment, we're at stage 3 review, and we have ordered our tooling materials, and we are waiting for them to arrive while we make final adjustments to the design. I'll give you an update when we get to stage 5, first article, and if you have a fiberglass part that you would like help developing, or if you want to replace a metal part or are curious about the services we have here at Method CNC, please get in touch. Thank you for your attention.